Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to download an application called Screencastify. This application works on any computer that you can get or any computer that you are using right now. You only need to download Google Chrome first. So you search for Google Chrome if you do not have it. After you download Google Chrome, you need to make sure that you sign into a Gmail account. So first I'm going to sign into a Google account that I have. Now that I am signed in already, you will search over here for Screencastify. And you will add it to Google Chrome. It's an extension, so it opens over here in the store, and then you click on Add to Google Chrome. You click Add Extension. After it downloads, an icon will show over here, which means that the Screencastify was added to your Google Chrome as an extension. So you are going to click right here, and then you need to sign in with the Google account that you have. When it gives you this message, you have to make sure that these are ticked so that it allows the camera and the microphone and the drawing and annotation. Let's say that you found your video already and you want to record it. You click on Screencastify, the icon right here, and then you click on Browser tab, and then you click Record. You can choose from here different tools to annotate if you want. There is also an arrow over here, and there's a focus mouse, a lot of tools right here. Eraser, and you can pause. I would suggest that also you click on this button if it's a YouTube, so that it shows in big screen like that, and then you mute the sound, and then you play it, and then you start talking. You click over here in order to resume recording, and then you play the sound. ما هو الطقس اليوم؟
مرحبا يا أصدقاء، كيف حال الطقس اليوم؟
And then you pause and end recording. When you're done, it takes you to this page where it will play the video for you. Now you can trim it if you want. ما هو الطقس اليوم؟ Save trim, and then you click trim. Let's say you are done, you click on download, export as MP4, and then you just click export. And then you get the video downloaded. This is it.